Hello everyone, today we'll be discussing about Business Q&A API. So what exactly is a Business Q&A API? So Business Q&A API is something which is important to manage the place link segment of your website. So come let us find out how this works. So you need to open the Google Cloud Platform and select a project, make a new project, and I'll run through this very quickly. You can watch our previous API videos for similar instances. So basically you need to create a new project, and once again come back to APIs and services, click on credentials, click on create credentials, click on service account. You need to verify your ownership or authorship, and then you will be getting an email generated from Google. You need to save that for your future use. After that, head over to your keys, because you now need to generate an API key for your entire journey. So add a key, create a new key. JSON is my recommendation once again for a smooth lossless migration at the later point of time. Click on create. As you can see from the screen, you can now have an active API key. So then head over once again to the APIs and services segment and click on library. On the library, you need to search Q&A API. So something will appear like this, My Business Q&A API. So after this, you need to just enable that. So here are a few things which can be used to control. So there are a few methods like create, delete, list, patch. So as you can see from the screen, create adds a question for a specified location. Delete obviously deletes anything written by a current user. Returns lists the paginated questions and answers for a specified location, and patch is updates a specific question written by the current user. So and the list goes on. So the thing is that these are some of the parameters which you can use to get some list of patch actions and get some list of some action items for your own business information available on Google. Thanks for watching.